I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Assalamu alaikum, this is Ibrahim Zishan. Welcome to my very first cubing video. In this video I'm gonna unboxing some cubes, so let's start. There is another bag to unbox. This is from RMCC collection. #EpicCubing. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks Ronak Bhaiya and Mariapu for this cordial service. By the way, these cubes are imported from China by RMCC. If you want to import cube from China to anywhere of Bangladesh, you can knock them. Link in description. Not sponsored. So this is the memo. Skewb. What is my one? There can be the 1x1 I'm looking for. Let's see. Yeah, I got it. This is my 1x1 with a V3 lube. The first cube is the little one. This is the 1x1. I always say that 1x1 is the toughest cube ever. What? Yeah, this is the toughest cube ever because you can never solve this. Even you can't scramble it. The second cube is my favorite, 2x2. This is Meilong 2x2 stickerless and it is not magnetized. The cube is looking very cute. Though it is not magnetized, but I think it will be stable enough and smooth also. And then the cube for I'm waiting. This is RS3M. Sorry to say that I won't say anything about the cube in this video because I'm very excited, so that I should make another unboxing and review of this cube. This is Meilong Square-1. This is also stickerless and not magnetized. It could be tough enough to solve, I don't know, because I didn't even touch any Square-1 before. This is the silver mirror.
Two very boring minutes later.
I love mirror cube and my favorite color is silver, so I ordered this instead of blue mirror and gold mirror. And blue is also my favorite color. This is an amazing cube because you can solve this cube only by recognizing the size of the pieces. Meilong 66. Oh, their cards. Ronak, Aymani, Ryan, Aya, and Maria Rahman Apu. Brother and sister together. This is Meilong 66 stickerless and not magnetized. This is my first 66 and I didn't solve any 66 before. But I think if I try, I can solve this because I can solve 4-4 and 5-5 by Yao method. So I should try, but not in this video. I'll make another video about first attempt of 66. One last big cube for this unboxing. This is Megaminx V2. For this, I didn't even touch any Megaminx. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It has 12 sides, double from normal. One thing is very surprising that you can't move any middle layer. So you have to solve this cube with only move the outside layer. Very interesting. I must make the first attempt video of this cube. This is the last cube but not the least. This is, oh my goodness. It's scrambled.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
This is not a big issue. RMCC informed me about this. They rarely face this problem from customs. Let me try to solve it. So, that was the unboxing. Again, thanks Ronak, Ayamani, Rayhan Bhaiya and Maria Rahman Afu for this cordial service. If you want to import cube from China to Bangladesh, you can order in RMCC. RM Cube Collection and Solution has a website, but this is not useful enough. No problem, you can order in their Facebook page inbox. Link in description, not sponsored. Stay safe, happy cubing, love you all.